Welcome back to Crypto Talk. Hey, we're here to Bitcoin on the hourly. You can see we're getting a nice bounce off of the previous week VWAP. It's also coming in at the, what is that, the 200 EMA here on the 1 hour. If you zoom out here to the 4 hour, you'll see that we're also getting a bounce here at the point of control, 50 EMA as well. So I would have liked to have seen more of a bleed down here to backtest this white line, which is the weekly candle body close trend line, to confirm that. But I think we're going to push higher. I think we're just in a sideways consolidation phase to push before the weekly close. And then also too, U.S. elections in roughly 15 days. Let's skip back out. I'll zoom into these levels here in a second. Let me zoom back out to the monthly for you. Trigger wave. I mean, this monthly candle is just stupid. It's bullish. We have obviously another 10 days or so before the monthly close, but you're up. You're up trending. You've got a confirmed lower high, higher low, excuse me. So we're both lagging. We're about to break out some more, just confirming and back testing certain levels as we move higher. So I'm just using Bitcoin as a barometer. I'm literally looking at some of the altcoins that are about to pump. My band protocol did a really nice job the past couple of days, up something like 24% on the week or something like that. Sleeper. Like I said before, I really like what I'm seeing here locally. I think this could be a sideways accumulation event up here. Don't be surprised if we bounce around for the next 3 days or so as we wait for the market to kind of do some stuff here. We could just be... The McDonald's pattern's kind of already played out. We could just do this number. But what I'm looking for here locally is reclaim the weekly VWAP currently, which is the previous day low, get back above the previous day open. The previous day EQ is huge, and then the weekly open and the weekly high are massive. So in my opinion, if you could reclaim the previous day EQ and potentially even the weekly open, you're gonna have breakout to more or less the $70,000 to $72,000 range. We can back test this level, it'd be even better. Something like this, come back up, break out, back test. That'd be a good long entry, and then look for some consolidation before moving higher. So polls are pushing towards Trump. Markets like that. Markets are getting bullish. Regardless of political affiliation, usually the 1 year after the U.S. election, markets are bullish anyways, so I'll leave that alone at the moment. For cryptocurrency's sake, Trump is way more advantageous than the Harris ticket. Firing Gary Gensler on day one would be a godsend and a blessing for me, so I would love to see that happen. No one has stifled U.S. innovation and growth more so than Gary Gensler, so I'd like to see him go. I'm watching Kaspa. Our CTO has turned me on to Kaspa's ecosystem. I don't know why I didn't pay attention. I actually mined some of this like a year ago when it first came out, and then didn't understand it. But this is kind of like a mini Bitcoin in terms of a lot of how it works. It's a proof of work coin. It's kind of like a smarter Bitcoin. So do some research, dive into it. I like it a lot. I'm also playing around with their meme coins. The biggest two I'm playing around with are Kaspa and Nacho. I think that Nacho is the name of the cat for the co-founder of Kaspa. So there's also ecosystem you can look into in terms of releasing coins. You can actually mint them. So instead of actually buying them, you could buy potentially millions at a time just by minting. It's a pretty cool reward process for those willing to gamble. Depends on the gas fees. I minted one yesterday. I think it was Tomcat for like $1.70. And I got like 5 million coins. And then I minted another one that was like a lot less because the circulating spot is lower. I think it was a blue. I minted blue for like $7 and I only got 50,000 coins. But anyways, cool speculation. I'll get into a whole different video on that one. I am looking to leverage trade SUI again. I'm not really buying this on spot. They have a huge ecosystem, kind of like Solana. I will say Sui and Kaspa remind me of the early days of Solana. They have a huge ecosystem following. They actually have good tech. So it should be interesting to see where both of these go, especially Kaspa. No one's even heard of Kaspa for the most part. No one has access outside of some bots and some smaller centralized exchanges on how to get a hold of some of the Kaspa's meme coins. So I'll do a separate video on that as soon as I continue learning some here a little bit. But here on Sui, I'm looking at a bullish div here. Like to see the monthly VWAP get tagged along with this trend line. I'll be looking for a low leverage long there. This has treated me well recently in the past couple weeks. But for the most part, guys, consolidation phase. This is what you want. Consolidate at the top and then big push later. So that's about all I have. If you have any questions, hit me up. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blockguard Discord, and if you need some private coaching, head over to Patreon. Thanks.